Hey guys, welcome to my channel Dishing with Naan and Jelly. I'm Anjali. I've been in America for many years and I wanted to share my stories. All my stories pretty much start with food because I love food. I love the ancient old recipes that have been passed on through generations from my family. So I wanted to share them with you as well as my family eventually. Thanks.
First step to daikon sambar, which is a tamarind lentil stew with this vegetable, is to wash and peel the daikon. Next, chop the daikon into about 1/2 inch cubes. That's what you want to do. And what we're gonna do next is begin the sambar. In a kalchatti or a stone pot, I'm gonna add some gingerly oil to it. Stews come out better in kalchattis because the flavor is more enhanced and it allows for the slow cooking process. In a separate pan, I'm gonna roast these spices. I've taken 1/2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of black gram lentil, which is also called chana dal, red whole chilies, 2 of them, and coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon as well. And we're just gonna roast them in 1 teaspoon of gingerly oil. I'm just gonna drop it in and roast it. All my spices are roasting to about a nice deep brown. I'm gonna let that roast in medium to low heat. And meanwhile, my kalchatti is on. I'm gonna add some mustard seeds to it, allow it to splutter, and start cooking the daikon. As the mustard seeds start to splutter, I'm going to add a small piece of asafoetida itself, not the powdered version, but the solid version. And I'm just gonna insert that like that, as well as a few curry leaves. I love the sound. I'm going to add the daikon pieces to this mixture now. Daikon does not need a lot of oil to cook. It doesn't absorb oil very well, so just keep the daikon just a little spoon and allow it to absorb the salt. In this little bowl, I have soaked some fresh tamarind, the size of a little lemon or lime, and I'm just going to allow that to soften up, extract the juice before I put it into my sambar. The sambar. This to the sambar and salt it. To the boiling sambar, as it's coming to a nice boil, we're gonna spoon in the spice mixture that we made earlier. I just used a mortar and pestle to grind up the spices, and we're just gonna spoon it in.